Hello everyone, and welcome to my Sister Wives Today Update channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Sister Wives, the attorney for Kody Brown, responds angrily to Christine Brown's lawsuit. Kody Brown's attorney has defended the Sister Wives patriarch against the accusations made by his ex-wife in a vehement response to Christine Woolley's recent lawsuit. Christine Woolley, star of Sister Wives, recently filed a lawsuit against her ex-husband, Kody Brown, alleging child support and other issues. When Kody sent his response 2 weeks ago, allegedly addressing the request for paternity testing about their daughter Truly, the legal dispute took a new turn. A difficult transition for real. The turbulent events surrounding Christine's separation from the family in Utah will be remembered by series viewers. Truly's departure from Flagstaff had been met with strong opposition by Kody, who said he felt terrible for her. Given the past complexities of their relationship, viewers were taken aback by this response and questioned Kody's commitment to Truly as a parent. However, Truly seemed to manage the changeover with surprisingly little difficulty. Truly appears happy and unfazed by the divorce, living with Christine and her new husband, David Woolley. Christine has expressed her worries regarding Kody, emphasizing in particular that Truly's birth certificate did not include his name, which supports the need for a paternity test. Christine's complaint includes a request for a domestic injunction in addition to child support. The purpose of this injunction is to shield her from domestic abuse, harassment, and intimidation. Additionally, it stipulates that neither parent may disparage the other in front of Truly. Christine filed a lawsuit because Kody allegedly stopped paying child support after they split up. Even though Kody has responded to the complaint, it seems that only the two parties and their attorneys will have access to the case's specifics. This decision is probably meant to protect Truly from needless public scrutiny during a trying period, according to the Ashley's Reality Roundup. According to Kody's statement, he recently acquired a lawyer, who on October 13 appeared in court in Utah on his behalf. According to reports, on the same day that Kody submitted his legal response, a fee was paid for a paternity testing matter. This suggests that the paternity test procedure might already be under progress, which is an important first step in resolving the persistent problems involving their daughter. Even though Kody has chosen to retain legal counsel, it appears that fans may not be confident in the option. According to reports, Kody's new attorney has received unfavorable reviews on websites like Yelp and Avvo. Some TLC viewers have speculated that Kody could refute Christine's claims as a result of this, but details are still limited because of Truly's privacy protections. Social media has been used by Sister Wives fans to express their thoughts on Kody's handling of Christine's lawsuit. Many express comfort that information about the court case is being kept confidential, acknowledging how crucial it is to keep Truly safe during this turbulent period. Despite the complexity of family dynamics, the community's sentiments show a desire for the best outcome for the involved child. Social media has been used by Sister Wives fans to express their thoughts on Kody's handling of Christine's lawsuit. Many express comfort that information about the court case is being kept confidential, acknowledging how crucial it is to keep Truly safe during this turbulent period. Despite the complexity of family dynamics, the community's sentiments show a desire for the best outcome for the involved child. I really believe that Sister Wives Kody Brown's revisionist past will ultimately lead to his demise. Kody Brown, star of Sister Wives, has been rewriting history by offering his perspective on the events that viewers have witnessed on the show for years. I believe that his decision to deny reality will ultimately lead to his collapse. Kody has had to work through relationships that don't always benefit him throughout his adult life. In a short period of time as a young adult, Kody married Mary Brown, Janelle Brown, and Christine Brown. Kody was raised in the Apostolic United Brethren Mormon fundamentalist religion, so instead of having multiple families, he made his own. Following the addition of Robin Brown as his fourth wife, viewers of Sister Wives have seen Kody's marriages fall apart. Even though Kody's marriages weren't always ideal, his marriage to Robin caused a very noticeable split in the multiple family, and his first 3 wives attempted to maintain harmony for years before realizing they needed to start living their own lives. In an effort to make sense of things, Sister Wives Season 19 has been aggressively exploring the Brown family's new normal by presenting their lives outside of multiple marriages from various angles. Many have observed that Kody's version of events doesn't fully align with what we've seen on Sister Wives, especially since the current season of the show is looking at his marriages and his connections with his 18 children. Kody's beliefs and the challenges he has encountered with his family have been depicted throughout Sister Wives, although the show has consistently provided a clear account of the events rather than a biased view on either side. Kody might easily alienate his remaining family members because he has been rewriting history on Sister Wives Season 19. The way Kody talks about his family has always been a dynamic story, even though he has gone through his time on Sister Wives remaining true to himself. The rest of the Brown family has been a sensitive topic for Kody, despite the fact that he and his lone surviving wife, Robyn, have children together and are generally happy with them. Even though Kody's children from his first wife are almost all grown up, his refusal to give them any freedom has caused conflict in all of his relationships. Kody has established rules regarding their interactions and appears to be the family's dictator. Kody has been forthright about his perspective on his marriages throughout Sister Wives Season 19. In recent episodes, Kody has made it clear that he believes Meri is to blame for their breakup, particularly in their marriage. Although it was obvious to Sister Wives viewers that Kody was more to blame than Meri for their relationship's breakdown, Kody's perspective is somewhat different. Kody refuses to take responsibility for his actions and instead assigns blame for the problems he had with Meri, Janelle, and Christine. Kody's need to present his own version of events has complicated his relationships even before his marriages have fallen apart. Kody has struggled to accept the truth from anyone other than himself during the run of Sister Wives. Kody cannot accept anything other than his own story if the facts paint him in a negative light. Kody tries to make himself look good by recounting every Sister Wives scenario he can think of, rather than accepting responsibility for his actions. Kody wants to seem flawless rather than acknowledge that he makes mistakes occasionally. Every aspect of Kody's life has been touched by his revisionist past, but his deluded behavior has had the greatest negative impact on his romantic relationships. Kody has made it plain that his story and his relationship with Robyn are more important to him than his relationships with Meri, Christine, and Janelle, despite his tendency to ignore the facts of the case. In doing so, Kody frequently presents his own version of what happened in his relationships with his previous spouses. They began to doubt Kody because he appeared to be lying when they heard his retellings on the show. Kody's behavior damages his marriages, but in recent years, his ties with his kids have gotten worse. Kody finds it challenging to establish deep relationships with each of his over 20 offspring. However, rather than the little time the Brown family spends together, it is the patriarch's actions that frequently cause those connections to be challenging. Considerably though Kody and his ex-wives have had a difficult relationship, it has been considerably more painful for him to lose his bonds with his children. It is difficult for Sister Wives fans to watch Kody's children suffer in their marriages.